The role of a good law firm in your real estate transaction. Let's discuss. Hi friends, I've been away from my channel for some time as I was on a vacation, and after coming back have been keeping extremely busy with work. I was MIA, but I promise to put in more time and effort in providing you more and more information on all the aspects of your home mortgage. Now, before we move further, you all know, friends, that the moment we reach 2,000 subscribers, your name will go in a draw if you are subscribed, and one winner gets $250 Costco gift card. Also, when we reach 10,000 subscribers, we have another draw, and again, if you're subscribed, one winner gets $2,000 cash, which could go towards your mortgage payment or rental payment. Now, both these promotions are published on our website. Just by subscribing, you get your name in for the draw. And friends, since you're watching my videos in thousands and thousands, just hitting the subscribe button may make you win. The names of the winners will be declared on this channel, and wishing you all the best for the same. Now, coming back to today's topic, what is the role of a good law firm in your real estate transaction, be it a purchase or a refinance? Now, buying and selling a property is one of the most significant financial decisions Canadians make, and the process can be far more complex than it appears on the surface. Now, beyond negotiating prices and securing financing, a crucial part of the transaction lies in the legal work. This is where a good law firm becomes indispensable in ensuring that your real estate deal closes smoothly, efficiently, and without costly mistakes. A reputable real estate law firm, friends, ensures that your rights as a buyer or seller are fully protected. Lawyers carefully review the agreement of purchase and sale to identify potential issues such as vague clauses, hidden obligations, or unfavorable terms. They ensure that conditions like financing approvals, home inspections, or sale of an existing home are clearly outlined to avoid any future disputes. And in very real estate transaction, precision, compliance, and protection of clients' interest are paramount. Whether it's a residential purchase or a commercial acquisition or the sale of an investment property, the legal complexities can be significant. A good law firm plays a critical role in safeguarding clients from unforeseen risks, ensuring that every document, condition, and financial exchange is executed flawlessly. In Canada's real estate landscape, having an experienced legal team by your side can make the difference between a seamless closing and a costly setback. In other words, buying or selling a property is exciting, but it's also filled with details that can easily become overwhelming. Now, from contracts and title searches to closing funds and mortgage paperwork, every step matters. That's why having a good law firm on your side is so important. In a Canadian real estate transaction, your lawyer isn't just there to handle paperwork, they are there to protect your investment, catch potential problems before they happen, and make sure your deal closes safely and smoothly. Now, one of the most critical tasks lawyers perform is conducting a thorough title search. This process confirms that the seller legally owns the property and there are no liens, encumbrances, easements, or title defects that could affect your ownership. A good law firm will also check zoning laws, outstanding property taxes, and compliance with municipal regulations to ensure there are no unpleasant surprises post-closing. Now in Canada, lawyers act as intermediaries between lenders and clients when it comes to mortgages. They ensure that all the conditions of the loan are met, prepare and register mortgage documents, and manage the transfer of funds. On the closing day, your lawyer coordinates with the seller's lawyer, the lender, and the land registry office to make sure the money and title are exchanged securely. After closing, your lawyer ensures that the deed and mortgage are properly registered with the provincial land registry office. This step finalizes your legal ownership of the property. They also provide you with a detailed reporting package summarizing the transaction and retaining records for future reference. Now, real estate transactions often face last-minute issues such as missing documents, delays in banking funding, or unresolved inspection concerns. A strong legal team anticipates these problems and addresses them proactively, minimizing the risk of disputes or closing delays. Perhaps the greatest role a good law firm provides is by offering peace of mind. Knowing that experts are safeguarding your investment, checking every detail, and guiding you through the process allows you to focus on the excitement of moving into a new home or completing a successful sale. Now, in Canada's competitive real estate market, closing a deal requires more than just a handshake. It demands meticulous legal work. A good law firm is not just a formality, it is your safeguard against financial risks, legal complications, and stressful surprises. Now, whether you are buying your first condo or selling a family home, having the right legal professionals on your side ensures your real estate transaction is secure, compliant, and worry-free. Now, buying or selling property in Canada also involves more than signing papers and transferring money. It's a legally binding process with long-term consequences. A good real estate law firm plays a vital role in securing a client's interests at every stage of the transaction. From due diligence to final registration, their expertise ensures the deal is both legally sound and financially safe. And friends, now if you're liking the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. Now, outlined here are the tasks a good law firm undertakes to secure your transaction. Now, one thing is thorough review of contracts. The agreement of purchase and sale is a backbone of any real estate deal. Lawyers ensure that the terms are fair, obligations are clearly stated, and no hidden clauses could disadvantage the client. They negotiate amendments when necessary to protect timelines, financing conditions, inspection clauses, and other contingencies that safeguard the client's position. Then, they also conduct comprehensive title searches. Now, one of the most important steps in protecting a client's interest is verifying clear ownership. Law firms perform detailed title searches to confirm the seller has the legal right to transfer the property. Also, identify issues such as outstanding liens, easements, or encumbrances that may restrict the buyer's use of the property. Now, detecting these problems early prevents costly legal disputes down the road. Now, managing mortgages and financial interests is another thing they do for you. Now, for buyers, lawyers ensure that all mortgage instructions from lenders are accurately followed. They verify that interest rates, repayment schedules, and legal charges are correctly recorded. For sellers, lawmakers make sure any existing mortgage is properly discharged upon closing so the buyer receives clean title. Then a law firm secures proper transfer of funds. Now, real estate law firms act as trusted intermediaries in handling the client's funds. They manage deposits, closing costs, and loan proceeds securely through their trust accounts. This guarantees that payments are only released once all legal obligations are met, protecting clients from any fraud or premature transfers. The lawyer firm also ensures compliance with regulations. Each province in Canada, friends, has its own real estate laws and registry systems. Now, a skilled law firm ensures compliance with all municipal, provincial, and federal requirements, from property tax clearances to land transfer taxes. This prevents penalties and ensures the deal is legally binding. Now, they also help you resolve last-minute issues. Now, unexpected challenges often arise before closings. Delays in financing, property defects, or disputes over adjustments. A good law firm anticipates these risks and negotiates quick, fair solutions to prevent deals from collapsing or exposing clients to legal battles. And then a good law firm finalizes and registers ownership. Now, once the transaction closes, the lawyer registers the transfer of title and any mortgage documents with the provincial land registry office. Now, this step legally secures ownership for the buyer and ensures the seller is released from all obligations. Now, in Canada's complex real estate market, a good law firm is more than a legal necessity. It's the client's shield against financial risk and legal uncertainty. Now, by conducting due diligence, protecting contracts, managing funds, and ensuring flawless registration, a skilled real estate law firm safeguards a client's most valuable investment, their property. Now, real estate transactions in Canada involve multiple moving parts, which are contracts, financing, title searches, and registrations, all of which carry potential risks if not handled carefully. Now, a real estate firm plays a vital role in safeguarding the client's interests, ensuring the transaction proceeds smoothly while minimizing exposure to legal or financial pitfalls. Here's how experienced legal professionals secure their clients' interest from start to finish. Now, by careful review of agreement of purchase and sale, comprehensive title search, protecting clients' financial interests, mortgage and lender coordination, ensuring legal compliance and registration, risk mitigation and dispute prevention, and above all, post-closing protection. A lawyer ensures the contract reflects the client's intentions and protects their rights. They examine clauses retaining to closing dates, deposit handling, conditions precedent such as financing, inspection, or sale of another property, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Now, by spotting ambiguities or unfavorable terms, they help clients avoid future conflicts. Now, in this very complex real estate landscape, a good real estate law firm is more than just a closing agent. It is a protector of the client's financial and legal interests. From reviewing contracts to registering ownership, they ensure that every detail aligns with the client's goal. By securing legal rights, preventing risks, and offering peace of mind, a trusted law firm becomes an essential partner in any real estate transaction. Now, I'm giving you some kind of examples where things can go wrong in the absence of a good and vigilant law firm. Now, there could be undiscovered liens or mortgages, improper title transfers, unpaid property tax or utilities, zoning and use restrictions overlooked, surprise easements or rights of way, other mortgage errors, fraudulent or fake seller issues, failure to discharge existing mortgages, and last but not the least, and the most common one, is missed deadlines. Now, real estate transactions in Canada are time sensitive. If conditions such as financing approval or inspection waivers are not met on time, the client could lose their deposit or face breach of contract claims. So, in conclusion, we can say that a good law firm plays a vital role in closing your most important purchase. It is the foundation of a secure and successful transaction. Their vigilance ensures that every document is accurate, every condition is met, every dollar is accounted for. And hence, a good law firm brings peace of mind, guiding buyers and sellers confidently through one of the life's most important final decisions and ensuring that every transaction closes safely, smoothly, and in the client's best interest. Please, I will say, please do not try to save that $50 or $100 when picking a lawyer. Your property worth millions of dollars is at stake. Please make the right decision. And if you are not able to find a law firm that can help you in all of this, we can help you find one. Feel free to contact and we go from there. So thank you friends for watching this video in full. Be blessed, stay safe, and see you in the next video with another topic very soon. Thanks again.